A beacon of hope, the Spix's macaw returns. Once on the brink of extinction, this vibrant blue parrot is thriving again. Thanks to conservationists and local communities, their recovery began. Today, the Spix's macaw thrives in its natural habitat. Their story is a powerful reminder of hope and resilience. Lords of the Caatinga, a history of Spix's macaw. The Spix's macaw's story begins in the Caatinga region of Brazil. This unique ecosystem, characterized by its thorny scrubland and seasonal rivers, was once home to a thriving population of these beautiful birds. Here, amidst the towering caraiba trees, the Spix's macaws established their dominance. These parrots were highly adapted to the Caatinga's dry environment. They relied on specific tree species, like the caraiba, for nesting and foraging. Their strong beaks were perfectly designed for cracking open the hard nuts and seeds that sustained them. For centuries, the Spix's macaw thrived in this delicate ecosystem. They played a vital role in seed dispersal, contributing to the health and diversity of the Caatinga. Their presence enriched the landscape, their calls echoing through the scrubland, a testament to their resilience and adaptability. On the brink, the path to near extinction. Sadly, the Spix's macaw's story took a turn for the worse. A combination of factors, driven by human activities, pushed this once thriving species to the brink of extinction. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation and agricultural expansion, played a significant role in their decline. As their habitat dwindled, Spix's macaws faced increased competition for resources. This, coupled with the introduction of invasive species, further threatened their survival. The illegal pet trade dealt another devastating blow to the species. Trapped for their beauty and rarity, Spix's macaws were smuggled out of their natural habitat. The demand for exotic pets fueled this cruel trade, pushing the species closer to the edge. By the late 20th century, the Spix's macaw had vanished from the wild. Their calls silenced, their presence a distant memory. Section 4. A concerted effort, bringing the Spix's macaw back. The plight of the Spix's macaw sparked a global conservation effort. Recognizing the urgent need to save this iconic species, organizations and individuals from around the world joined forces. Together, they embarked on a mission to bring the Spix's macaw back from the brink. Captive breeding programs were established, carefully managed to ensure genetic diversity. These programs focused on increasing the Spix's macaw population, providing a lifeline for the species. In parallel, efforts to restore their natural habitat gained momentum. Local communities played a crucial role in this endeavor, working tirelessly to plant trees and protect remaining forest patches. Education and awareness campaigns helped to combat the illegal pet trade, fostering a sense of responsibility towards the Spix's macaw and its fragile ecosystem. Section 5. A triumph of conservation, thriving once more. Thanks to the dedication of countless individuals, the Spix's macaw's story took a turn for the better. In 2020, the first captive-bred Spix's macaws were released into the Caatinga. These releases were carefully planned and monitored. The results have been remarkable. They are breeding in the wild, securing their future. Section 6. A unique and spirited macaw. Characteristics and charm. The Spix's macaw is not only a symbol of conservation success, but also a fascinating creature in its own right. Its striking blue plumage, fading to a lighter shade on the underparts, makes it one of the most recognizable parrot species in the world. These macaws are highly social animals, known for their playful nature and strong bonds. Their calls, a series of whistles, chirps, and squawks, are an integral part of their communication. Spix's macaws are intelligent birds, capable of learning and adapting to their environment. Their resilience and determination, evident in their comeback from the brink of extinction, make them even more captivating. The Spix's macaw, with its unique charm and inspiring story, serves as a reminder of the beauty and wonder of the natural world.